We start from first principles. Back to the signage industry. Let's talk material selection. Illuminated signs need light control. Material must hold acrylic panels. Considering LED heat, the base and sign shell must resist at least 60 C. For LED short circuit risks, wires must be fire retardant. Solid letters need a metal finish. Post-printing, sanding layers, painting and electroplating. Outdoor signs need UV resistance. No fading in sunlight, no yellowing, and thermal shock resistance. Meeting strict quality rules, printability and cost become our top priorities. That's our selection standard. Just like various LED types, materials fit different scenarios. For most signage production, we recommend PLA, PETG, and SA. They work for most applications. They are easy to print. With existing technology, they support mass production and further modifications. PLA is a bio-based recyclable material. It's made from corn stalks. Low shrinkage makes it easy to print, but it's brittle and cold, and has poor weather resistance. It yellows outdoors easily. Long-term outdoor use is not ideal. It's only for indoor exhibitions. No long-term warranty available. PETG's chemical name is modified polyethylene terephthalate. It's the universal FDM material for signs. Clear PETG with diffuser powder turns milky white like acrylic. This unlocks many illuminated sign uses. Compared to PLA, PETG is an engineering plastic. It has basic weather resistance. We can modify it for flame retardancy, light control, coloring, and more. But 3D printing is different from traditional acrylic molding. So, PETG can't match acrylic's transmittance. With high-quality printing, it hits 80 of acrylic's level, approximately. For front-lit surfaces, brightness is noticeably lower. Therefore, it's mainly for back-edge lit signs. A SA is styrene acrylic acrylate copolymer. It has far better weather resistance. It's UV resistant and anti-aging. Works from 40 C to 80 C. Resists rain and humidity. 3 to 5 years outdoor use without issues. Far better than PLA and standard PETG. It solves outdoor aging, the core pain point for signs. It also has stable mechanics, resists impact and deformation, hard to damage during shipping. But its high strength means higher shrinkage during forming. It needs stress relief in printing. Otherwise, when fitting panels, shrinkage causes per fit or light leakage. SA is ABS's sibling material. Sign shops are very familiar with ABS. In use, SA can be treated as an upgraded ABS. SA is naturally yellowish. It stays slightly yellow after modification, compared to polished acrylics. Premium frosted white finish. It's less premium. It fits basic low-end illuminated signs, like street food stall signs. But it's great for secondary processing, such as polishing, sanding, painting. You may be wondering, why not use acrylic or PC? They have better light transmission. But in polymer chemistry, structure determines performance. From printability perspective, acrylic has low melt flow. It causes stringing and warping. Hard to get consistent printing. That makes it unreliable. PC printing needs high-temp equipment. It places high demands on machines. Given these requirements, the equipment cost is too high and affordable for most sign shops. After choosing materials, we do further modifications: coloring, shading, flame retardant, adding fiber to improve strength.